Today, we're making some chicory salad with a Dijon mustard dressing. Very simple. First, we remove some of the outer leaves. Chicory has this wonderful bitterness, which we'll balance with some heat from the Dijon mustard and some olive brine. I'm using a mix of purple and green, but you can use one or the other. And then we have an optional step. What I like to do is I like to slice them in half and we soak them in iced salt water to make them a bit crunchier. This would add a lot of texture to your salad. Now, we salt. The salt will draw out some moisture and firm up the chicory a tiny bit. And this goes into the fridge until you're ready to serve. Now, we make our dressing. Couldn't be more simple. About 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. You can use whole grain, you can use Dijon, just don't use English mustard because that's way too overpowering. And to that, we add the olive brine. We are going to use my daughter's panda whisk and we slowly emulsify this. The Dijon mustard also acts as a thickener for your dressing that helps the dressing cling on to the chicory. I mean, if you add this bit by bit, you yield a much better result, but I say that because it's lumping up. Not too bad. And once the chicory is ready, we can plate. All right, after 30 minutes in the fridge, we can make the salad. So in terms of presentation, restaurants like to serve them leaf by leaf and it's beautiful. But for me, as a side dish, I like to slice them like this. You get more crunch and you get a more even distribution of the sauce this way. Once you get to the bottom, you just go thinner. This is actually the tastier part in my opinion. It has a bit more sweetness and less bitter. Now once you get to the very bottom, this goes. Perfect. Now everything in the salad mixing bowl. You add a bit of olive oil and the dressing. Because the brine is really salty, I would first taste and decide whether I need more salt. Give it a shake, toss, taste. Really good. That's brilliant. It has color, it has texture, it has a bit of heat. It's a wonderful salad. This is chicory salad with a Dijon mustard dressing. I really hope you enjoy. Beautiful as well, huh?